For.
Actually, let's call him Nemo.
Alright, Nemo.
Let's call him breakfast.
So you have to hold it, you have to put it in your mouth, and you have to swallow it. Now I've heard that when you swallow live goldfish, you can feel them swimming around in your stomach.
Let's hope the acid works.
Mike has said he had a nightmare last night about eating a goldfish, and he had a dream that I got one like this big, and he had to chew it.
I hope the acid doesn't catch my gut.
It's not gonna bite you. It's a goldfish. Stop jumping. Don't drop it on the ground, so you're gonna feed it with dirt on it. Everybody say it.
I can't grab it. Someone get water with it at 4.
No, drink the fish. Put it back in there. Drop it in.
Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Okay, someone go get him a glass of water.